girls we were stuck with drove me home. Then we're on our way home driving.
Oh!
And I go, all right, take a left at the next light. She takes both hands off the steering wheels and holds her index finger and thumb out to figure out which one makes the L. And nods her head, and all right,
That's... Oh, no. Oh.
Whoa, 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 I cannot believe that happened.
Searching for family vacations? Find it with Vrbo. They search millions of amazing vacation homes to find you the perfect home, where everyone has their own chair and their own style. From beach houses to cabins to condos, travel better together with Vrbo.
Familiar with one of his favorite cartoons, comic books, or video games, Ogden Morrow would always hire the employee back, usually without Halliday ever noticing.
I got all that on dash cam if you want. Yeah.
Thank you for stopping, man.
Hey, no worries, man.
This happened one other time to me. I really appreciate.
Yeah, let me give you one of my business cards, and I'll email it to you later.
Wind chill, though, closer to -8. For tomorrow, more snow. We can expect about 5 centimeters, depending on where you are, maybe a little bit less south of here. Wind chill is expected to be about -4 in the morning and down to -16 in the afternoon, so temperatures dropping tomorrow. Overnight, tomorrow night, cloudy with a 60%.
Ебать нахуй.
I don't really see any. Like, Derrick Rose was one good one, and like Jimmy. But that was kind of
Dang. There were most of the good decisions, Mason, happened.
What the bro? What are you doing? What's wrong with you, man?
Our own emails and text, don't tempt me about another run for president. What is all this saying?
I think that she is still struggling to accept the results, and I think she would like to be asked to have a bigger role in the 2020 cycle, whether that's her actually testing.
So that's just a double check way, right? Doing it a different way to make sure that we get the same answer. Because we should get the same answer. That's how we know it's correct. If we get a different answer, one of the answers is wrong, and we got to figure it out.